On the occasion of National Girl Child Day 2026, Directorate of Family Welfare Services Manipur and State Health Society, National Health Mission Manipur State PC and PNDT Cell jointly organized a walkathon under the theme Empowering Every Daughter, Building a Stronger India. The walkathon was attended by Family Welfare Services Director Dr. N. Bino, Family Welfare Services Additional Director Dr. Samorjit Ningombam, State PC and PNDT Cell State Nodal Officer Dr. Sujata Huidrom, and several others. The main focus of the program was to combat gender bias and promote equal opportunities in education, skill development, and health and well-being. Family Welfare Services Director Dr. N. Bino stated that every girl deserves the right to be born, live safely, receive education, dream freely, and lead with confidence. He added that the walkathon was organized to spread awareness about legal and social rights of girls and to uplift every girl child.
National Girl Child Day 2026. Masi State PC and PNDT Cell, Director of Family Welfare Services and National Health Mission Manipur Nasinja Duna Pangtok Chabani. Masigi Maru Pandamdi, Nupi Masagi rights, Mayam the Pak and Kanganba, gender based sex selection bu, Athingba Thamba, Nupi Masa Singda, education, Amadi, skill development bu, promote Topiba, health and nutrition, Pagarhanba, safety amadi protection pibiba makoi coil opportunities pibiba sini masi gi maruba koi slogan ojari sidi empowering every daughter healthy and a stronger India